Okay, ready? Welcome back, and now we're going to do this one. We're going to use the ratio test to see whether this converges or diverges, or maybe it's inconclusive. Okay, so now what are we going to do? So with this case here, we have n to the n over n factorial. So again, we're going to set up rho, which is going to equal the ratio, right? The limit of the ratio. So limit as n approaches infinity of what? It's going to be the ratio of n plus 1 to the n plus 1 power divided by n plus 1 factorial over n to the nth power over n factorial. Now I'm going to do the same thing I did in the last video. I'm just going to write this as a limit of a product instead of a quotient. And so now I'm going to get n plus 1 to the n plus 1 power divided by n plus 1 factorial. And now I'm going to flip this, and this is going to be times n factorial over n to the nth power. Now, this and this you can't cancel, so be careful. Some students will try to cancel these two. These do not have the same base, right? This is n plus 1 and this is n. So you can't use any rules of exponents here, like we did in the last problem. So the only thing we can do is cancel this with this like we did last time. And again, this is n plus 1 times n factorial. So this and this will cancel. Okay, now notice something here. Okay, see what happens now. Okay, now I get n plus 1 on the bottom. Now this is kind of fortunate because watch what happens. Limit as n approaches infinity of n plus 1 to the n plus 1 over n plus 1. Now, interestingly enough, hold on, one last thing, we got n to the nth power. Okay, don't want to forget that. Now, but now look what I got at the bottom here. I got an n plus 1. Now this has the same base because look, I can use this as an exponent of 1. Now I can use the rule of exponents for these two. So if I take the rule of exponents and I subtract the exponents here, what do I get? I get the limit as n approaches infinity of what? I get n plus 1 to the nth power over n to the nth power. Now look what happens. Now look what I have. Well, where is this thing going as n goes to infinity? Well, this thing is getting huge, right? Because I can write this, just so we can see it a little bit better, n plus 1 over n to the nth power. Okay? Well, where is that thing going? Well, no, I take that back. This is not going to go to infinity. Okay? This is actually going to e. But it's larger than 1. Right? E is bigger than 1. And so therefore, since rho equal to E is greater than 1, the series diverges.